Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to check iPhone IP address without Wi-Fi. So can you check your IP address without Wi-Fi? No, you can't, because this IP address actually carries all information on your internet so that you can see if you have any problem with your internet server. Like if your server is slow, you can check it on your IP address. So you can't check your IP address without Wi-Fi. So I'm going to show you how you can check your IP address on your iPhone. So go to settings and go to Wi-Fi. Make sure you connect it to an SSID. So on the right, you can see the eye icon on your SSID. So tap on your eye and then scroll down and you can see here your IP address. So this is how you can check your IP address. So yeah, this is all, and you can't check your IP address without Wi-Fi, never. So this is how you can check your IP address on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.